Have you ever wondered if your teeth are trying to tell you something? Many people think dental problems appear suddenly, but the truth is that your mouth often gives warning signs long before serious damage occurs. Unfortunately, these signs are easy to ignore until they become painful and expensive to treat. That's why it's important to pay attention to what your teeth and gums may be telling you. One of the most common warning signs is bleeding gums. If your gums bleed when you brush or floss, it could be a sign that plaque and bacteria are irritating your gum tissue. Another sign is persistent bad breath that doesn't go away even after brushing. This may indicate a buildup of bacteria or an underlying dental issue. Tooth sensitivity is another red flag. If hot coffee, cold drinks, or sweet foods cause discomfort, your enamel may be wearing down or your gums may be receding. You should also pay attention to changes in the appearance of your teeth. Yellowing, dark spots, or visible stains can sometimes signal enamel damage or tooth decay. Frequent toothaches should never be ignored either. Pain is your body's way of alerting you that something isn't right. Even mild discomfort can be an early sign of a cavity or infection. Another serious warning sign is receding gums, which can make your teeth appear longer than normal and increase sensitivity. In more advanced cases, teeth may start to feel loose, which can indicate damage to the structures that support them. The good news is that many dental problems can be prevented with simple daily habits. Brush your teeth twice a day, floss regularly, limit sugary snacks and drinks, and drink plenty of water throughout the day. Regular dental checkups can also help identify problems before they become serious. Remember, healthy teeth are about more than just having a beautiful smile. They play an important role in your overall health and well-being. So, don't ignore the warning signs. Taking action today could save your teeth tomorrow. If you found this information helpful, make sure to subscribe to Health Hub for more easy-to-understand health tips and advice.